Okay. Here's a crate I got from work. It's a produce crate. I'm going to smash it up. I should probably be wearing eye protection. That was fun. It shouldn't probably be too bad of a break. This is my new great song I heard this morning. Nothing like taking KC and the Sunshine bands, I like it, and putting it into an even dancier urban disco. Gotta check, make sure this is still in the shot. Tried to do this at work with a hammer, and it was quite a pain. Got this wonderful sledge because Craftsman's, I believe, have lifetime warranties through Sears. Had a broken sledge head in the garage. One thing about never throwing things away, I had been saving it in the garage. I don't even know why it was there, and I figured out upon looking at it close enough that it was a Craftsman. So I was able to go get this for basically free since I didn't buy the original sledge. It's a nice thing you use for wedges when you're cutting trees, and that hammer them in there helps break up the fibers. That way you save yourself some work. I'm going to pull this puppy apart and my firewood collection. I love this song.